celebrate puree. I've been struggling to say this word for such a long time and now we got it right. But we are celebrating puree and everything that Kim stands for. But tonight the spotlight is going to be on SALHA. SALHA, who represents the Sudanese kitchen. We've had such a lot of fun today, unbelievable. We thought that today we'd have to be quiet, no banter, no joking, just serious grafting, but we had loads of fun. And I just want to say we're looking forward to everything else, and yeah, it's a great joy. Please welcome SALHA and Kim.
Thank you, Lucy, for introducing us. Later at pudding time, we're going to have some anti-slavery chocolate, and that's going to spark off a little chat from me about what we're about. We're an anti-slavery cookery company. And yeah, tonight we are really spotlighting our queen at Puree. Sal has been with us from the very beginning. She's showcasing tonight her traditional and contemporary span Sudanese classic dishes over this 4-course meal that you're going to have, and we're just in total rapture to be cooking for you here. We have had a really fun day. It feels totally surreal and magical to be up here in this golden restaurant and just have a really fun night. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Salad and pepper dressing, and then burnt onion and lentil. They must be the lentils.
Yeah. Where's the lentil? This one.
We're doing what we're doing at Puree. I'm going to do that now. Ahead of your anti-slavery chocolate pot you might have seen on the menu. I mentioned briefly earlier we're an anti-slavery African catering company. So that's the why of what we're doing. And this is the how and what. I hope you've enjoyed the cuisine tonight. From SALHA Abdullah, this star chef of ours, I'm going to give you these flowers and say, you are amazing, your food is so delicious, and watch out everybody, because this is the start of a really phenomenal career in the hospitality industry for SALHA. I made this my goal last year to platform this woman because she is exceptional, and her story and what is behind her heritage and the culinary genius that has been in her body since before she was 13 years old, learning these recipes from her mum in Sudan, in this little town in Sudan, where another one of our sisters at Harria, Hala, who's over here. Miraculously, they found their way together in Bristol, in this company where we're cooking food and teaching people about modern slavery, because it's happening here in Bristol and it's happening around the world, but it's unfortunately that is actually a part of all of our lives, and that is why I started Harria. But how we're delivering this message and teaching people about that reality is through these joyful occasions like these supper clubs. Because when it first hit me through a series of circumstances right here in Bristol that actually slavery is still happening, I knew I had to do something about it, and I started talking to my family and people when I was buying things at the market, and it wasn't, people don't want to talk about modern slavery, I get that. But we're hoping to engage you through this food, through our events, because there's so much we can do about it. And this is one of the things that we do. We train women, survivors of slavery. We use anti-slavery ingredients, and we teach individuals, we teach companies about what you can actually do to change that. This is like another kind of layer of our conscious awareness as ethical global citizens, okay? We need to add this layer on when we buy things, trainers, chocolate. There are anti-slavery producers of chocolate, coffee, trainers, right? We made our chocolate pudding tonight with oat double cream. Did you know that you can make chocolate, exquisite chocolate desserts, which are pretty much allergen free, slavery free? That's what you're just about to eat. Okay, I hope you really enjoy it. It's going to go with these donut balls and some gold-leafed syrup. I'm like dying to eat this. There's a lot I could say about modern slavery, but we just have wanted to deliver a really tasty meal for you tonight and hope that you have some curiosity about it. And if you'd like to know more about that side of things, and if you'd like to just come to our next supper club or book us for a catering gig, because we're taking in loads of inquiries at the moment for that. We're really busy cooking around this city and beyond. We really want to hear from you. If you want to hear more about modern slavery stuff as well, we've got talks, programs that are coming out next year. It's important that we engage with it. If you would like to know more about that, we've got a newsletter sign-up sheet at the door. We've also got this guest book that we take to all of our supper clubs. We'd love some of your feedback, any messages in here. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lucy and Emelina, for hosting us tonight. Your team are so funny and kind. And thank you to our other sisters at Harria who are here. Selena, Mathilde, Kat. These are all like ally volunteers who have been helping us grow this business. Sandra, who's been mentoring me recently this year. I can't believe you're here. These guys, Penny and Shona from Breaking Bread, who gave us such a leg up in the summer up at the Downs, Team Canteen, wow. I'm just really moved that there are so many people in this room who are actually part of our Harria community. Harvey Nichols! this is her night. Take an interest. Her food's exquisite. That's it. I just thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. You'll be on my YouTube.
Oh, definitely do.
Yeah.
I always wanted to be famous.
Is amazing. Your story is pretty amazing. So what is this? So it's
Make you sleepy.
what is this? Wow. It was nice meeting you. And this is the lady, this is the person who made the night. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.